continues through the whole song. All right, it is B, power chord. Play the 2nd fret. You could play the A string, and then on the D string, you're gonna play that at the 4th fret, and G string at the 4th fret with your pinky. Next chord is A, but we're just going to drop our index finger to hold down the D string and the G string, and you play the open A 5th string. Then the 3rd chord is C, power chord. You play that the same way you played the B, except you move it up. So now your index is on the 3rd fret, A string, and you want to play the D and G strings on the 5th fret now. That's pretty much played throughout the whole song. If you want to build it up towards the end of the song, just try to bar your D, G, and B strings, and you can do more of a strumming. Okay. I'm not going to attempt to sing that one. All right. Thanks for watching. Dive does a cover of it. I was surprised. But I would never cover this song. Thanks. Bye-bye.